Hey guys, we received this Share Sunshine wireless keyboard, foldable Bluetooth keyboard for test and try. This is a keyboard with a slim, small, quiet, portable, compact, handheld, full-size, pocket, travel, folding keyboard for PC, laptop or any other use. So here this comes in this nice pack and this is a manual and this thing. So let me just take out everything in the box and then show it to you. So this keyboard is a folding one, so it's pretty good for the travel. So you can see it here. So it's a charging cable, USB-C. So the folding keyboard is good and it's like a full size keyboard here with the folding things. So it's pretty lightweight and good to open and close. So the hinges are of nice, good, durable quality. And then keyboard is a normal square key size keyboards. So this is a USB-C that you can charge or recharge your keyboard so multiple times, so you don't have to carry the additional batteries with you. You can easily recharge, and it is a USB-C, so you can recharge with any other mobile or any other device USB-C. So as you see here, the connect button is there, so you can use this connect button. So I'm just searching in the Bluetooth and I connected this with the Bluetooth here, and now I can easily use this keyboard. So I'm just putting it on my the laptop so you can see it's working, but I'm just typing through the this folding keyboard. So it's responsive, it's quiet, I don't hear any click click sound or any the keys sound, and versatile connectivity, easy to connect with just a Bluetooth device, and then the typing and everything is good with this normal full size keyboard. Still, this keyboard is like a 11-inch laptop keyboard, but very much functional, better than a mobile or a tablet. And with a fold it will go to half in the size, and you can just take it anywhere with you. So it's a nice connectivity and nice keyboard, portable, lightweight, and you can just take it anywhere with you.